Which of them is bigger? So is it this or that? So we have square root of 2, then cube root of 3. So which one is larger or which one is bigger? Okay, so let's set the ball rolling. Okay, now in case we are given square root of a is the same as a to the power half. So cube root of a is the same as a to the power 1/3. Okay, so this one can be written as 2 to the power half. Then the right hand side can also be written as 3 to the power 1/3. Okay, now let's focus on the exponents here. We have 1/2, then 1/3. So in case we're given 1/2 plus 1/3, what's the LCM? The LCM here is 6. Okay, so let's multiply the powers by 6. Okay, and this side is by 6 and this side by 6. Okay, now to balance it, you can choose to multiply this side by 1/6. 1/6. So this one is 1. This one is 1. It means I've done nothing to it. Okay, so 2 here, 3. Okay, so it's the same as 2 to the power 3 all raised to 1/6. So 3 here, 2. It means 3 to the power 2 all raised to 1/6. Okay, so guess the answer. This side is 8. And this side is 9. So 8 and 9, which one is larger? So 8 is less than 9. Therefore, the largest or the larger one is this. Okay, so that's that.